Getting your 4,000 watch hour is actually very easy. In fact, it is one of the easiest things to do right now, and a lot of people have been testifying how they got their 4,000 watch hour, how I got monetized in 5 days, how I got monetized in 10 days. So it is very easy, and in today's video we're going to be learning how we can get our 4,000 watch hour very easy and fast. Because to monetize on YouTube, you actually need a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. And getting that 4,000 hours seems to be the hardest thing to do. But in today's video, we're going to be learning the fastest and easiest way to get 4,000 watch hour. So this video is very important for you if you want to monetize your YouTube channel, and 4,000 watch hour is your challenge. As we all know, one of the fastest, one of the easiest, and one of the simplest ways to get your 4,000 watch hour currently is through live stream. And live streaming, we have it of two ways. We have the normal live stream where you log into your phone and you stream, and we have the other one of Restream where you stream through the Restreaming app. As we all know, Restream.io is monetizing thousands of people on daily basis. A lot of people have been monetized through the Restreaming app. If you are probably the year is running about to roll over and you have gotten a significant amount of watch hour and you don't want that to go with the year, why not? You can go ahead and try the Restream app. It will definitely help you get your 4,000 watch hour. But then while trying Restream app, make sure you are doing it rightly, because one single mistake, your channel can get deleted. That is just the danger of Restream. Or if you mistakenly use a video or a content that you're not supposed to use to Restream, or one mistake or anything, so because of the danger or the suspense that comes with Restream.io, you need to be extremely careful while applying that. But if you know that you can do it very well and it will not affect your channel, why not go ahead? Because when you have any issues with Restream, most times YouTube will even monetize your channel, and after some times your channel will just get either deleted or it will get demonetized. So imagine all the stress you've gone through to gather subscribers, to gather watch hour, just go down the drain. So that is the danger of Restream. But if you know you can do it very well, why not go ahead and Restream through Restream? But stream through Restream rather. But I have not used Restream, but I have experience. I have watched videos of people that have used Restream. I've watched it and I've learned from their experience. So what I do, I stream from my app. So in this particular video, when I was streaming this live stream, I got a lot of viewers that view from me, because I've not actually created a huge community that will come and so that this particular day people came to my live stream a lot. So after this particular live stream, I had over 3,400 views, and by the time I went to check the watch hour from this live stream, it was close to 60 watch hour, not close to 60 if I'm not mistaken. As at the time I stream, as at the day I finished this live stream, it was close to 60 watch hours. So imagine getting 60 watch hours in a day. So that was just one live stream at night. So imagine I stream morning and I stream night and I got 120 watch hours. So if I stream every day for 10 days and I got, let me just say 100 watch hours in 10 days, that is 1,000 watch hour. Now, the fact that Restream have come and live streaming is there, a lot of us have actually become very lazy. Now, you need to understand that there are something called trending videos, trending content, and there are something called problem solving videos. If you are actually able to put out this kind of video, trust me, with about 2 or 3 videos on your channel, you will be able to get at least that your 4,000 watch hour that you're streaming hours to get. These trending videos and problem solving videos, they are evergreen. They don't go out. Even after 1 year, YouTube will still be recommending this kind of content, because these are things that people thousands and millions of people are searching on YouTube every single day. So if you are able to put out just 3 of this kind of content, trust me, you will be able to get your 4,000 watch hour. If you're wondering how you would know those topics that are evergreen and those topics that are problem solving, one way for you to know is for you to go to your YouTube studio and go to trends. You type the topic there, or you search. You see YouTube actually put topics there that are trending. Then another way for you to know is for you to use your YouTube search bar. If you type a particular topic, you will see how those topics are performing. Then the third way for you to know is for you to use Google Trends. Go to Google and type Google Trends. Then you click on Explore. Then you put in that particular topic. You will see how that topic is performing over time and even currently as you're about to stream it. So as a creator, these are the things that you should consider before you even start shooting that particular topic that you have an idea on. Another thing you also need to do that is very important is for you to take your time and understand your audience. Look for what people are searching for. You can do that through your YouTube studio. Look for what your audience are searching for. Look for topics that are solving problems. Learn to hop in on trends, and you'll be able to monetize your channel faster. Even if it takes you 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, there is nothing wrong with that. This is not even putting pressure on you. Do you get? You might try all this out and you may not even get 4,000 watch hour. You know, there are some people that with just 200 subscribers, they are rushing to go and live stream through Restream. You know, sometimes it is good to grow organically, even if the growth is gradual. But at the end of the day, let it be that your account is safe and is not in any risk at all. Do you understand? So you might apply all these things and you may not even get the result, like get monetized in 10 days. Do you understand? There are a lot of big creators that I've seen that at the end of the day, they share their testimony of how they got monetized 3 years after starting YouTube, 2 years after starting YouTube, 6 months after starting YouTube. There is nothing wrong with growing gradually. As long as you are growing, as long as you're seeing progress on your channel, as long as you are consistent, trust me, even if the growth is gradual and you are seeing results, keep doing what you are doing. Do you know that if you rush to grow your 4,000 watch hour through Restream or any other means, or you're buying watch hours, when you get monetized, you still need to be getting like 1K view on your videos for you to actually make good revenue from those videos. So right now, as you're growing at this level that you are right now, what I would advise you to do is to make proper research. Optimize your videos very well and make sure that your videos are problem solving. Make sure that it is something that people are searching for. That video is meeting a need on YouTube. If you're out there and you're looking for ways to grow your channel and get your 4,000 watch hour, you need to try your best to put all these things into action, and you'll be able to get your 4,000 watch hours faster. So guys, I have said so much, I don't want to repeat the things I've already said, but if you got value from this video, please do well to subscribe to the channel, do well to like the video, and drop me a comment. If you have any question, leave the question for me on the comment section. I'll be in the comment section to answer all your questions. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again in my next one.